Applied Digital, APLD, is drawing renewed investor attention after announcing plans to break ground in September 2025 on Polaris Forge 2, a $3 billion, 280 megawatt AI factory in Harwood, North Dakota. This development is being viewed as a major milestone in the company's rapid expansion into AI focused infrastructure. Polaris Forge 2 is not just another data center build. It's designed as a next generation AI campus, purpose built to host massive GPU clusters and serve hyperscalers, AI labs, and enterprise clients racing to meet global demand for compute power. Key highlights of the project include massive scale. At 280 megawatts of initial capacity, Polaris Forge 2 will be one of the largest AI dedicated data centers in the US, capable of hosting tens of thousands of NVIDIA's most advanced GPUs. Future proofed design. The facility is scalable beyond the initial 280 megawatts, giving APLD the ability to expand as AI workloads and client demand accelerate over the next decade. Timeline: construction begins September 2025, with initial capacity coming online in 2026 and the full build out reaching completion in early 2027. Strategic location: North Dakota continues to emerge as a hub for energy intensive infrastructure. Its combination of low cost, reliable power, available land, and state level support makes it a prime location for AI data centers. Polaris Forge 2 reinforces North Dakota's reputation as a strategic destination for AI infrastructure in the US. Investor implications. Growth trajectory. The $3 billion investment highlights APLD's ambition to scale aggressively and capture market share in the hyperscale AI infrastructure race. With utilization, Polaris Forge 2 could drive hundreds of millions in annual recurring revenue, making it a long term growth engine for the company. Competitive positioning. By locking in a massive campus with room to grow, APLD is positioning itself against rivals like CoreWeave and traditional hyperscalers, showing Wall Street it intends to be a serious contender in AI infrastructure. Catalyst for hype. For traders, the combination of a multi billion dollar expansion, a clear construction timeline, and growing AI demand adds to the bullish narrative that has already fueled short squeeze speculation in APLD. Risks remain, including funding requirements, execution challenges, and the broader capital intensity of scaling AI data centers. But for many investors, Polaris Forge 2 is a signal that APLD is leaning fully into AI infrastructure boom, giving it the potential to transform from a niche player into a critical enabler of the US AI economy. In short, Polaris Forge 2 is a $3 billion bet that could cement APLD as one of the leading public AI infrastructure companies in America.
Okay, so the market for today, the 18th of August, has just closed, and the extrapolation on the daily chart is saying that the strength is expected to remain in place up till, if you like, up till Wednesday, the 27th of this month. After that, we might get a contraction, a distributive contraction, and then a sideways movement going into Friday, the 26th of September. There's no guarantee that this will just pan out like this. I totally doubt it. It's extrapolating up to the next 30 trading sessions. You can easily imagine that the likelihood of this turning out like this is quite slim. Maybe one to three trading sessions may just turn out exactly like this. Regardless, we have downward projection of 14.95 currently in play now. Let's see, intraday high here in this session 16.92. Okay, so we may have had more upper projections, higher projections before now. Let's see. I don't think we have any here on the daily chart, but we have computed projections on this stock before. Let me just quickly have a look. APLD. Okay, we have unfortunately, all those projections have since been met. Now, our last projection was 16.21, and the stock is at 16.33. So it just met them in this session. So we may have to recalculate, or we have to recalculate on and also look at other charts to see what's going on. So the yeah, everything's strongly bullish on its price pressure momentum. Yeah, everything's strongly bullish. Let's see now. We could just go down to the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, the extrapolation is saying that this expansion that began on the 14th of April is expected to be contracted, going all the way towards March. But this is just an extrapolation as well. You know, there's no guarantee that that will be the case. If anything, we probably have to challenge the algos and you know, try to find out what could why are the algos, why are the machines extrapolating this sort of weakness, what could go wrong, what is about to go wrong, what is going wrong already, you know. I don't think we have anything to the upside here. Nothing to the upside. I don't. Okay, we do 19.51, 17.17, 13.4. Yeah, 19.51. Not that ambitious. Would like to see something really a lot more ambitious. But let's have a look at the 4-hour chart and see. On the 4-hour chart, we have 16.29, 16.75. You never know. Sometimes you may find even more ambitious projections on these minute charts. 16.41, 16.58. Let's see here. 16.76. 19 point, okay, we've seen that in 19.73, 19.08. Okay, so we could have a look at this, and we say we take 16.92, and then we take this low of 14.54. So we remove 14.54 from 16.92. So we will have, let's see, we'll have, yeah, 2.38. That will be the difference. 2.38. Let's see, 2.38. 2.38 multiplied by 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 3.85. We add that to 16.37. We have 20.22. That's the next projection. Next projection to 20.22. So we'll try again. 2.38 multiplied by 2.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 6.23. Add that to 16.37. We have 22.60. And then we try again. 2.38 multiplied by 3.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 8.61. Add that to 16.37. We have 24.98. 24.98. Okay, so we have fresh projections for APLD. Our last projection was 16.21. Now we have 20.22, 22.60, 24.98. But on the weekly chart, we saw some bearish extrapolations, bearish projections, not bullish at all, not positive. But let's see how things go. Um, I'll continue to update you, see what you make of APLD, and thank you very much for watching this video.